Today I'm going to show you how to enable DRM in the Chrome browser, step by step. If you've ever had trouble playing protected video content, streaming services, or anything that requires licensed playback, this setting is often the one that needs to be turned on. The good news is that it only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it on your own computer without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. Chrome will now open the settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories, and the one you want next is Privacy and Security. Click that section because this is where Chrome keeps the controls for website permissions and protected content options. Inside Privacy and the Security, click Site Settings. This area lets you manage what websites can and cannot do in your browser, including things like camera access, notifications, pop-ups, and media permissions. Now scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings. Click to expand that section, and then select Protected Content IDs. This is the setting that controls DRM, or Digital Rights Management, in Chrome. When you open it, you'll see an option that says Sites can play protected content. Go ahead and select that option to enable DRM playback permissions in the browser. Once this is turned on, Chrome will be able to handle protected video and streaming content more properly, which can help with playback issues on supported websites. After enabling the setting, you can simply close the Settings tab. In most cases, the change takes effect right away, but if a site was already open and not working, it's a good idea to refresh the page or restart Chrome completely and try again. That way, the browser can reload with the new permissions active. If you were having trouble watching content before, go back to the website and test it again. You should now have DRM enabled in Chrome, and protected content should play as expected on supported platforms. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.